Hello YouTube, welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's channel. Today we are showcasing a system we've done in a Ford Transit Custom. We've done loads of these, loads of options on this platform. This is just an end result rather than a progress photo, so there might be a few B-rolls over the image to show you what we've done behind the scenes, but mostly this is just a walk round. So what we've done, we have in the front we fitted the Alderson Prima components with the tweeters upgraded here. Now these tweeters are behind the original panels, but sometimes we put them on the front depending on customers' requirements. These are Prima powers, so they take a bit more power than the usual Primas. We've soundproofed the doors as well, not fully, but we've done majority of the doors on these. We've then put a 5-channel amp underneath the seat, which I'm going to struggle to see. In fact, I might be able to get a better angle if we go around the front. Hang on a second. Right, let's just go around. Oh, there we go. Can't wait for the camera to focus. There you go. So that's the Alderson 5-channel, the SR 5.600. Now that's running the front speakers, it's running a subwoofer, and it's running rear speakers that we've added. Now they don't come with rear speakers, so what we've done is we've put them in between the headrests, put basically factory looking grills on them. And I'll show you, I'll go around the back and we'll actually show you what that looks like from behind. So wait for the camera to light up this area. There you go. So what we've done is we've made a piece of ply to reinforce the bulkhead so the speakers aren't just mounted against plastic. Trimmed it in carpet. We've also soundproofed all behind here as well, and then so we don't have the magnets on show, we've actually custom made boxes to actually box the magnets in and trim them in carpet as well. Now this is all mounted in using threaded inserts rather than like self tappers, so it's very, very secure, doesn't move whatsoever. Cabling's nice and neatly run across the top, wrapped in tester tape, and then behind the seam there is a quick release plug, so if the customer ever needs to take his bulkhead out for whatever reason, then obviously it's removable. Here's all the boxes. Now the final thing I want to show you is the subwoofer, which is mounted underneath the rear seat, which we just let the camera settle down in the low light. There you go. And that is the Alderson Prima APBX 10DS subwoofer, which also runs off the 5-channel amp. So basically all speakers run off the amplifier. Sounds much better than standard, is what you can imagine. One thing I'd love for any of our followers or watchers to actually tell us, on this sync-free system, we haven't actually managed to be able to code on fader control for the rear speakers. Now, not massive issue for everyone, because some people just want it the same volume all the way around, but we'd love to be able to know how to program on, if possible, rear fader on this system, so all customers have the option to fade between front and rear speakers. So if you know that, drop a comment, it'd be really helpful. Drop a link if you know, obviously a link to a video showing it, that'd be great. But other than that, yeah, our client Josh is going to be over the moon with this install. One final thing, we've also fitted a dash cam as well. Thinkware U1000, this is a 4K version, extremely good camera, lots of we fitted loads of them, great camera range of Thinkwares. But yeah, other than that, all good. For now, see you soon.